Bad helmet here right now. All right, guys, I wanted to talk about this front end extension kit for the Yamaha Warrior 350 that I had purchased earlier this week on eBay. Sorry, I'm a little tired. Whew. Do a little review on it for you guys. I know my last video was just us riding. I didn't really talk about it too much, but I do want to say, I mean, you guys saw how hard I was ripping it around here. Cutting it as hard as I can, you know, doing donuts and stuff like that. And not once did I feel uncomfortable where it felt like it wanted to tip over on me. Man, let me catch my breath. Holy shoot, I am tired. So yeah, I just want to give you guys a little quick review on it while I'm out here. I am by myself today, so yeah, guys, I'm loving it. I'm loving it so far. The quad is a little lower than your average Warrior, and that is because the wheel setup, I should say tire setup, not so much wheels, because I can definitely put some bigger tires on these wheels. But I love it. I love everything about it. I'm comfortable with it. It's not too low to where it's hitting everything, but it definitely is a little lower. So looks great. Can't wait to upgrade these shocks, you know, to the air shocks. I bet you will look even sicker, and let alone ride a lot better. But as far as, you know, it is now, nothing has loosened up. Everything's still nice and tight. That tie rod extension is definitely holding up. I was a little skeptical about it, but it's holding up. And I put this thing through some crazy trails, crazy hard riding. And I'm talking about hard riding, non-stop, without, you know, letting the thing freaking cool off, which I don't really care, because I do have some future plans with this thing. And some of you guys might want to stick around to see that, but I do plan on engine swapping this thing when this engine fails me. But so far it's been holding up. It's been underwater. It's been sucked up water. It's done everything. I've broken the exhaust. I had to get the exhaust re-welded. I don't know why, but it broke right here. As you can see, the new weld's still there, holding up pretty nice. But man, I've beaten this thing up so much over the last couple weeks, and I love it. You know, I get to ride whenever I get a chance. I mean, you see the trails they go on along the power lines on both sides. They just keep going forever. So get muddy right now if I wasn't holding my phone. But yeah, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Wow, don't mind my helmet here. I'm gonna keep enjoying this thing. This is my review on the widening kit for the Yamaha Warrior 350. I'm gonna give it an A+ so far. Like I said, I beat the hell out of it, and I'm happy with it. So it's exactly what I was looking for, and feels more, stable. And you guys see, I love doing donuts. I love doing, I love getting on it and hitting tight turns. So, yeah, I say it's a pretty positive review. Definitely, guys, if you guys are ever interested in widening your, Yamaha Warrior 350, I would definitely go with it. It's not too much money. You go on eBay. I'll leave the link down in the description below, so you guys could go ahead and check it out if you're interested in buying it. I do have an install video for those of you who haven't seen it yet. Go check it out. That way you guys can see how it gets installed. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Wasn't hard at all. You guys see me do it. So thank you for watching again. I appreciate it to you guys. If you're not subscribed already, subscribe. There's going to be more content coming. Peace.